Ever dreamed of lending your visual effects wizardry to Hollywood-level projects and getting paid to do it? Today, we're diving into how you, a VFX artist, can leverage the Toptal platform to land those dream freelance gigs. First, you need to create a standout profile. Focus on showcasing your specific VFX skills. Are you a master compositor, a dynamic effects artist, or a stellar 3D modeler? Clearly list your software proficiencies, like After Effects, Houdini, etc., so when people look for said skills, you surface as one of the best candidates. Next, your portfolio is your digital resume. Feature your best work. Organize your portfolio by project type, showcasing your skills with a detailed breakdown of your involvement in each project, including high-resolution images, clear project descriptions, and ideally, a link to a demo reel or video. Now, let's find you some projects. Explore the Toptal project listings. Use the search bar and filters to narrow down your options. Look for projects that match your skill set, experience level, and availability. Pay close attention to each project's requirements and deadlines. Finally, the bid. This is where your brilliance really shines. Write a compelling proposal that is tailored to the specific project. Highlight how your skills and experience align with the client's needs. Briefly explain the process you'll follow, your timeline, and your proposed budget. Remember, clarity and professionalism are key. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing awesome VFX work. Good luck, and happy creating!